Blankets are a practical and decorative necessity for beds. Blankets come in different materials, sizes, and thicknesses. They also come in a variety of colors and styles. Here is how to choose the right blanket for your situation. Throws are often confused with blankets, but they are more decorative than warm. Sold by dimensions rather than bed size, throws can be used anywhere in the home. Throws are a great addition to your living room or bedroom decor, but should not be substituted for an actual blanket. Material. Several different types of materials for blankets are wool, cotton, down, or synthetic. Cotton is a durable fabric. Lightweight cotton blankets are great in warm weather. Heavier cotton blankets are warm enough for winters too. Wool is one of the warmer materials and is excellent for colder weather. Even though wool tends to be warm, it does breathe and is used year-round. Synthetic blankets can be fleece, microfiber, acrylic, or polyester. Fleece and microfiber blankets are trendy. They are soft and warm. Synthetic blankets can be inexpensive. However, low-quality synthetics may wear out quickly. Down refers to goose feathers and the light under feathers of a bird. It fills duvets and comforters. Down blankets can be lightweight or heavyweight depending on the fill level. Down does breathe, so it's usable year-round. Room. Consider if the blanket is for the bed in your guest bedroom, master bedroom, children's bedroom, or another room. Think of the functionality and aesthetics of each room. A guest bedroom blanket may be more decorative than functional. In your master bedroom, warmth might be the deciding factor. Styles. There are numerous different types of blankets, including quilts, duvets, comforters, afghans, and knitted blankets. They range from modern to traditional to contemporary. Depending on the style of your home, choose a blanket that matches the bedroom and home's decor. Quilts are traditionally handmade from scraps of material. They are mostly made of cotton. Afghans are knitted or crocheted, are warmer, and have a sweater-like texture. Traditionally made from wool, today many are synthetic. Duvets and comforters are similar in thickness. Duvets have a removable insert, while comforters do not. They can be made from any material and are soft and fluffy. Throws can be used anywhere in the home to stay warm. They are lightweight and made from any material. Size. The obvious choice is to buy the same size blanket as your mattress. A properly sized blanket allows for a little overhang so you can tuck in the blanket. However, you may prefer oversized blankets. In this case, buy a size bigger than your bed. If you want a decorative throw to lay at the base of the bed, choose that size. Standard sizes include twin, double, full, queen, and king. Twin, 90 inches by 65 inches. Full and queen, 90 inches by 85 inches. Queen, 90 inches by 90 inches. King, 90 inches by 110 inches.